Hey guys, it's Movie Hoarder here. In this video, I'll be unboxing Volume 2 of Power Rangers in Space, which includes the final 21 episodes. And my favorite episode from this series is Rangers Gone Psycho, which is a very awesome episode. It's where there's another group of Rangers who are called the Psycho Rangers, who are evil clones of the Space Rangers. So I'll read the back. No, actually, it's the same thing. But there's the front, the spine, then the back, and I'll get this unboxed. Hate it when the wrapper gets stuck to the spine. But oh well. Okay, show you the inside. So on the right side you have all 21 episodes of the final 21 episodes of Power Rangers in Space. Then the discs are blue. So disc 4, disc 5, and disc 6. So yeah, that was my unboxing of Power Rangers in Space Volume 2. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you.